Hello everyone, my name is Mohamad Ashraf bin Rosman from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today, I will be presenting my case study on asset and inventory management at Cosmos Skills Sdn. In this presentation, I will explain the company current asset and inventory management system, the problem faced in existing process, and several improvement proposals that can help improve operational efficiency and inventory control. For introduction, Cosmos Skills Memberhad is a technical training and consultancy company uh, in Sungai Udang, Melaka. The company specializes in providing safety and competency training for industry such as oil and gas, manufacturing, and construction. To support these training activities, the company used a wide range of asset and inventory items, including training equipment, personal protective equipment or PPE. Currently, the company manages this asset and inventory using a hybrid system that combines manual record with spreadsheet-based documentation. Although this system is still functional, there are several areas that can be improved to increase efficiency and reduce operational issues. In asset and inventory categories, the asset and inventory used by the company can be divided into several categories. For asset, the first category is tangible asset. This includes laptop, protector, gas detector, training equipment, and specialized safety tool used during training season. The second category is financial asset, which is support the overall operation of the company. The third category is human capital. This refers to the knowledge, experience, and appetite of trainer and staff member, which are valuable resource for company. For inventory, the company manage simulation material, ready-to-use training kit, maintenance and repair supplies, as well as safety stocks such as helmet, gloves, safety goggles, and first aid kit. Proper management of this asset and inventory item is important to ensure that training activity can be conducted smoothly and effectively. There are several problems associated with the current asset and inventory management system. The first issue is company heavy reliance on manual record. Staff members still use logbook and checklist to record inventory movement, which is can be time consuming and increase the risk of human error. The second issue is delay spreadsheet update. Sometimes inventory records are not updated immediately, causing discrepancy between record stock level and the actual quantity available. Another problem is the difficulty in tracking item location. Since equipment is frequently moved between storage area, classroom, and off-site training location, it can be difficult to determine the exact location of certain items. Finally, the company faces the risk of shortage. Frequently used items such as a glove, battery, and PPE may run on unexpectedly because there is not early warning system to indicate low stock level. In addition to the previous problem, there are several other issues that affects the effectiveness of the current system. One of these is maintenance and calibration control. Calibration dates for equipment such as gas detector are recorded separately, which increase the possibility of missing important maintenance schedule. The company also experience repeat and emergency purchase because inventory usage data is not always accurate. It's because difficult to forecast future demand and plan purchase effectively. Another issue is the lack of standardized storage organization. Label and location code are not applied consistently, making it more difficult and time-consuming for staff to locate the equipment they need. This issue contribute to inefficiency and may increase operational costs over time. This slide shows the procedure for training, requirement, and item issuance. The process begins by checking the training schedule and confirming the number of participants involved in the season. After that, staff members verify that the required equipment and material are available in stock. Once availability is confirmed, the items are recorded in register or sent out from before being issued for use. The equipment is then used during the training season. After the training is complete, the items are returned, inspected for any damage or issue, and the inventory record are updated accordingly. Although the process is straightforward, it still depends heavily on manual record and documentation. This slide explains the procurement and receiving process. The process starts when a need for new item is identified. This may be due to low inventory levels, damaged equipment, uncommon training activities, or new customer requirement. Next, technical specifications are prepared to ensure the selected items are suitable for industrial safety training and competency programs. The company then identify and evaluate supplier by comparing factors such as price, product quality, certification, and delivery time. After selecting the most suitable supplier, a purchase order is issued as an official procurement document. When the items are delivered, they are inspected to ensure they meet the required specification, and finally, the items are registered in the inventory system and maintenance schedule are prepared if necessary. For storage and monitoring activities, items are organized based on category, frequency of use, and safety requirement. Frequently used items such as PPE and training material are stored in locations that are easily accessible to staff. Meanwhile, sensitive equipment and instruments are stored in secure areas to prevent damage or loss. Regular stock checks are carried out to identify expired, damaged, or underutilized items. The spreadsheet system is also used to monitor inventory balance, item movement, supply information, and maintenance status. Although this practice helps maintain inventory control, they still rely on manual process and can be further improved through digital solutions. To overcome the identified issues, several improvement proposals have been suggested. The first, the first proposal is the implement QR code or barcode tag for all asset and storage location. This will make it easier to track equipment and reduce the time required to locate items. The second proposal is to create a centralized database that combines assets record, inventory level, procurement information, and maintenance schedule in one system. The company can also introduce digital form using platforms such as Google Form or Microsoft Form for item issuance, return, and damage reporting. This will allow record to be updated automatically. Other proposed improvements include setting minimum stock level to prevent storage shortage. Implementing calibration remind for critical equipment applying 5S principle and location code for better organization, conducting weekly cycle count, and creating a monthly dashboard to monitor inventory performance. Together, this improvement can significantly enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the company asset and inventory management system. This slide presents the proposed workflow and overall conclusion of the case study. Under the proposed system, staff member will scan a QR code before issuing equipment, complete a digital form, and update the status of the item when it's returned. The collected information will be automatically stored in display on dashboard for monitoring and decision-making purpose. By implementing this improvement, the company can reduce search and administration time, lower procurement costs, improve maintenance planning, and enhance training risk line. In conclusion, the current hybrid asset and inventory management system at Cosmos Christian Neighborhood can be significantly improved through the use of QR code tracking, centralized database, digital form, calibration reminder, and monitoring dashboard. This improvement will help the company manage its resource more effective, more effectively while supporting high quality training service for the oil and gas, manufacturing and construction sector. Okay, thank you for your attention. That is all from me. I am ready to answer any question. Just comment.